we're going to need is a cloth, iron patches, and a clock frame from a broken clock. We're also going to use a pencil, scissors, and the listed in there. So we're going to also use an iron, which I strictly advise you to get an adult help if you're not an adult. Then we're placing our clock frame, and now we're outlining it in the inside, following the shape of the clock and outlining it on the fabric. So this is how it should look like. Oh my god, the video is so fast. Okay, now we're going to cut it, and yes, we're going to follow the lines. I strictly advise you that you get an adult help if I don't want you to get bleeds and cuts because of this video that you're watching on YouTube by a guy, by me. So yeah, just cut. So after I cut this fabric, I already placed my patches on a certain way that I want it to look like. So after that my cutting, I'm going to show you how it looks like. So here we go. You can copy mine if you've got a flowery patchy design, and you can go your way. So now ironing this is you need to really make it stick on the fabric. So now I'm going to use a candle because, well, my glue gun broke and you need an adult help in here. Okay, so I'm just putting my glue gun in there. Now I am going to position my fabric on, and just do that like that, so whatever. So I'm just going to position my fabric on the lines, and I'm going to put glue gun on the sides and stick the fabric. Do that again and again. Adult help, okay? I'm sorry, my English is not good, and I slobber when I speak because, you know, English is not my first language. So now that's how it looks like, and now what we're going to do in here is I'm showing you a thumbtack, which we are going to push it in the middle. Yeah, just gonna create a hole in the middle and push it halfway through, okay? Adult help if you're not an adult, whatever. So we're going to push it halfway through because we're going to tie the string on the thumbtack, in the thumbtack, or whatever, on. Now we're just going to circle it and push the thumbtack. Okay, adult help again. I don't want you to get like thumbtack bleeding your fingers, whatever. So now that's how it looks like, and the final step is we're going to tie it on the middle. So yeah, that's it. Just gonna tie it, then we're gonna hang it on, and then we're done. So this is the final product. Like, look at that, it's beautiful. I know what you've done is also beautiful, and yeah, simple. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more, and my Instagram is there, so follow it. Thank you for watching. Bye.